What's going on, you wonderful people? I got another one. Yes, so in this video, you will see the unboxing of the iPhone 14 Pro Max Gold Edition. This is a 256 gigabyte iPhone. So right now, here you see, as we have, here is the iPhone 14 Pro Max Gold. If you're in the market shopping for a new iPhone, what color would you go down with out of the new iPhone 14 Pro model series? Leave it down in the comment section down below. What's your favorite color? Mine personally is deep purple. So here is a gold one. You see, here is the box layout. What you get, it is gold, 256 gigabyte model. Not too much what they have in there. Starting off with the unboxing, you see the iPhone itself. Woo! The color is clean. I like this. Yes, you can tell it is a gold color. As you can see right there, the lenses is great. Just in certain lightings, it does look like a champagne kind of a colorway, which is always good. You know, it doesn't stand out too much, not too subtle. It's not hitting like right in your face. So what you get in all Apple boxes, you know, you don't get no more charging wall bricks, but you do get your lightning to USB-C cable cord. You get your Apple paperwork and one sticker. The sticker should have been gold. It is what it is. Let's place all that back. So let's check out the phone itself. As you can see on the side, right here on the iPhone 14 Pro Max, you can see the little gold side hits. Yes, this is now in America, there will be no more SIM card trays if you don't know. So you have to use eSIM. And it was a real quick setup process for me when I finally set up my iPhone 14 Pro Max in deep purple on Verizon network. So it wasn't pretty good. If you want to check out that video, I'll leave a card link up here and a link down in the description so you can check out that video of the unboxing of the deep purple. But this gold iPhone 14 Pro Max is nice. No, I did not order the deep space black or the starlight silver color. No, I did not. I will check it out in person and see what it looks like, but you can never go wrong with looking at a gold iPhone. Go ahead and upgrade, you know, check out the latest phones, because I can tell you the lens quality on here, woo, that's excellent. But look at the lenses on here. Just a little short unboxing. So if you did enjoy this video, like this video, subscribe if you're new. It's Techtober. More videos is on the way. We're pushing hard and road to 10,000 subscribers. Here we come. So we're going hard from now to the end of the year and every day. So other than that, hope you enjoyed this video. Like this video. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care, everybody. Stay positive. Thanks for watching. God bless.